Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin in the headlines today. Enterprising endeavour by Structural and Fabrication Shop Collective of Rourkela Steel Plant leads to substantial savings. Employee of the Month Award function held at HME Department. And an awareness program on 5S conducted at HRD Center. Now the news in detail. The enterprising Structural and Fabrication Shop Collective of Rourkela Steel Plant RSP was able to successfully recondition 7-leaf spring used in 80-ton hot metal car, steel transfer car and flat wagons using in-house resources. The 7-leaf spring is procured and used by structural and fabrication shop and traffic and raw material for repair of 80-ton hot metal car, steel transfer car and flat wagons. On an average, 25 springs are required every month by the department for the maintenance of rolling stocks. Generally, 1 or 2 out of the 7 laminated springs get broken in the bogies during service due to the pressure. Out of these, the failure rate of the top leaf is most frequent. Besides, there was also an acute shortage of springs due to delay in supply by the vendors. Looking at the criticality of the situation, the team comprising of senior technicians Mr. S.S. Pati, Mr. M.K. Mohapatra, Mr. L. Soren, Mr. P.K. Kiro, Mr. A. Nag and Mr. M. Solanki, led by Mr. P.K. Tripathi, Deputy Manager, and under the guidance and supervision of Mr. S.C. Sabat, DGM, Structural and Fabrication Shop, took up the challenge. The team reconditioned 80 leaf springs by salvaging or repairing the individual leaves and assembling those in sequence. The reconditioned springs were successfully fitted in the 80-ton hot metal car, steel transfer car and flat wagons. The enterprising endeavour of the team led to the best performance with improved service life of the springs. This not only helped in maintaining the required rolling stock at the time of non-availability of the new springs, but also led to substantial savings for the company. An Employee of the Month Award function was organized at Heavy Maintenance Electrical Department on 6th September. Mr. P.K. Behra, AGM HME, presided over the function and handed over the awards to Mr. Abhiram Behra, Senior Technician HME for the month of July. Present on the occasion were other officers and staff of the department. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. P.K. Behra congratulated the awardee for his dedication to duty and said his performance was truly worthy of emulation. It may be mentioned that Mr. Behra was recognized for his contribution towards enhancing the reliability of RC1 of Blast Furnace No. 5. An awareness program on 5S was conducted at HRD Center on 11th September. In all, 26 employees in the level S1 to S11 attended the program. The main objective of the program was to equip the participant with required knowledge to ensure equipment reliability, efficient customer service, and enhanced quality of products and safety. The topics covered during the sessions were introduction and concept of 5S and its implementation. A session on experiential sharing was also included in the curriculum for better practical understanding. The sessions were conducted by Mr. A.K. Jaina, Assistant Manager, Plant Control, Ms. Annapurna Behra, Assistant Manager, HRD, and Mr. D.K. Jaina, STOT, Mechanical Shop. The program was coordinated by Ms. Behra, Assistant Manager HRD, with the help of Mr. D. Puran, OCT HRD. That's all we have for you from our news desk. Namaskar.